How to lock WhatsApp with fingerprint. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can lock WhatsApp with fingerprint. The first thing you want to do is launch open WhatsApp. Now make sure to log into your account. Then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here you will find the option of settings. Tap on that. Now select privacy. Scroll down and find the option of app lock. Tap on that. If it is disabled, go ahead and toggle it on. You will have to confirm with your fingerprint. Now you can decide if you want it to be automatically locked or not. If you want it to be immediately locked, select immediately, or you also have the option of 1 minute or 30 minutes. If you want the contents in the notification to be shown, toggle this option on, or you can also toggle it off. Once that is done, exit. Now if you open WhatsApp, as you can see, WhatsApp has been locked. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.